Goodbye and welcome to Silly Bob Science. I'm looking for my invisible friend Flo. I think she's hiding. Flo! Flo! Where are you?
Hello, Professor Silly Bob. Here I am. How did you find me?
I found you charming.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Flo, there's something that's been on my mind for a long time.
Yes, Silly Bob?
Something I should have told you a long time ago.
Yes, Silly Bob? Tell me.
Happy 1994!
Very funny, Professor. Why don't you get on with today's show? What are you working on?
I'm more playing than working. You see, I'm making slime, a gooey, sludgy, stretchy, wobbly substance that feels weird to touch.
That sounds like you're cooking.
Oh, you can't eat it, Flo.
Then we are talking about your cooking.
It's meant to be a hot dog. In order to make some slime, we're going to need the following ingredients. Some PVA glue, some contact lens cleaning solution, some bicarbonate of soda, and we might also use some food colouring in order to make the slime nice and colourful. Let's get started! Squirt 100 millilitres of PVA glue into a beaker. Add a teaspoon of contact lens cleaner. Bung in a heaped teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it up! Add a few drops of paint or food colouring. Bosh! We have slime.
So now that we have our slime, what can we do with it?
It can be great fun to play with, separate, put back together.
Is slime a liquid or a solid?
I'm not sure. Let's experiment to see if it behaves like a liquid by putting it into a funnel and seeing if it pours through. Hurry up! It is a liquid. Technically, it's called a non-Newtonian liquid, meaning that the viscosity, the thickness of the liquid changes the more force you apply. Here's something cool you can do with slime. Make a stress ball using a balloon and our funnel. I can feel my stress disappearing.
This is all very interesting, Silly Bob, but how does this help me return to my body?
It doesn't, but the stress ball will stop you worrying about it.
Goodbye, Silly Bob.
Hello!